CoffTea, a powerhouse blend of energy and health. 12 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, 2 black tea bags, and 2 green tea bags is the basis for all of my fasting tea blends. With the right timing for additions, a good cup becomes excellent. This is CoffTea, a unique blend that brings together the bold richness of coffee, the depth of black tea, and the smooth antioxidants of green tea. Balanced energy without the crash. Coffee gives you a strong caffeine boost, but the black and green teas contain L-theanine, a natural compound that smooths out the rush. The result, sustained energy, better focus, and fewer jitters. Take a look, it's starting to boil. This supercharged antioxidant blend is packed with polyphenols, catechins, and chlorogenic acids, compounds that fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support overall wellness. Now that you have a rolling boil, it's time to add the coffee and maintain the rolling boil for at least 2 minutes to extract all the coffee goodness. Caffeine and catechins work together to increase fat oxidation and calorie burning, perfect for those looking to support their metabolism. Plus, coffee and tea both help balance blood sugar for steady energy throughout the day. Good for the heart, great for the mind. Studies show that moderate coffee and tea intake can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke while improving circulation. And the combination of caffeine, L-theanine, and antioxidants helps protect brain cells, potentially lowering the risk of cognitive decline. Black tea's tannins aid digestion. Speaking of black tea, time to add your 2 bags. It supports digestion and gut health, while coffee's mild laxative effect keeps things moving smoothly. Now, let the black tea steep for a couple minutes on simmer before turning the flame off for the green tea. Green tea's EGCG is linked to brain function and longevity. Drop it in now. It boosts metabolism and fat burning, while black tea's flavonoids support heart health. Balanced stimulation. This mix gives you sustained energy without the crash of coffee alone. CoffTea isn't just a drink. It's a daily ritual for energy, clarity, and wellness. Brew it, sip it, enjoy the best of both worlds.